Hello, so in today's video I am going to show you the recipe of raw mango launji, which is spicy with sweetness and really very yum, so you must try it in your summer days. So without wasting time, let's get started. In a pan, take 3 teaspoon refined oil, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon mustard, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1/3 teaspoon celery and mangila, half teaspoon fennel seeds, and then roast it for 3 minutes. Then add 200 gram peeled and chopped raw mango and mix it well. After that, add half teaspoon red chili powder and half teaspoon garam masala. Then slightly roast it. Then add half cup water and half cup jaggery. So now cook it till jaggery melts. After that, cover the lid and boil it for 5 minutes. You have to boil it till our raw mango get very soft and can be mashed easily. So as you can see here, this can be mashed easily, very easily. So like this only you have to boil. Now add salt to taste and 1/4 teaspoon black salt. Now mix it well and serve it when it gets cool. I hope you like it.